Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy that uses an email as a tool to communicate with potential and existing customers. Unlike traditional advertising, email marketing allows business to deliver personalized content directly to the inbox on their target audience. This approach helps companies build long-term relationships, increase brand awareness, and drive sales. One of the biggest advantages of email marketing is its cost effectiveness. Compared to the other digital marketing strategies, such as a paid environment, email marketing requires a relatively low investment with offering high return on invest ROI. It also enables businesses to segment their audience, ensuring that recipients receive relevant content tailored to their interests and needs. There are three main types of email marketing: promotional, relational, and transactional email. Promotional emails focus on special offers, new products of announcements, or discounts. Relationship emails aim to nurture relationship by providing value content such as newsletter or industry insights. Transactional emails, on the other hand, include order confirmation, shipping updates, and account notifications. To create a successful email marketing campaign, businesses must follow key steps. First, they need to build a targeted email list through WhatsApp signal, social media engagement, or special promotion. Setting clear objectives is also essential, whether the goal is the influence sale or stranger customer relationships. Furthermore, segmenting the audience ensures that each recipient receives content that matches their preferences. The success of an email campaign also depends on the size and content of the emails. Emails should be visually appealing, mobile friendly, and easy to read. Subject lines should be engaging and concise to encourage recipients to open to the email. The content must be provide value, wherever in a special offer, educational material, or company updates. Additionally, testing and analyzing performance metrics like open rate and click-through rate businesses optimizing their email marketing strategy. In conclusion, email marketing is an essential tool for businesses looking to engage their audience effectively. By leveraging automation, personalization, and analytics, campaigns can be developed campaigns that build customer trust, drive conversation, and enhance brand loyalty. As a digital marketing continues to evolve, email remains a powerful and reliable channel for communication and business growth.